and show you how to create it. First of all, you need a Windows 10 iOS file. So you use any browser to download it. You write here Windows 10 iOS downloaded and press enter and show you download Windows 10 this image iOS file. Click it is. Scroll down and download now. Start download it. Open. Yes. Accept. Select create installation media USB flash driver DVD or iOS file. Next iOS file. You will need to burn the iOS file to a DVD later. Next, and select folder where you download it. I have already downloaded it, so I do not hit download. After you have a need a application, open any browser and write RUFUS Windows 10. Press enter. RUFUS create bootable USB driver to easy way. Download it. It is very important for you and it is set up carefully. First of all, select your pen drive. Then select your iOS file where it is downloaded. And click start it. Press OK. Press OK. Press OK. And there are some time to ready. Close. Now it is ready for setup Windows 10 or your PC or laptop.